Today I'm going to show you how to enable advanced controls in VLC in just a few seconds. This is a simple but really useful setting if you want quicker access to extra playback buttons like record, snapshot, frame-by-frame control, and other handy tools while watching videos or listening to audio. If you use VLC often, turning this on can make your workflow much faster and more convenient. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open VLC on your computer. You can launch it from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you normally open your apps. Once VLC is open, you'll see the main player window. At the top of the screen, look for the menu bar. This is where VLC keeps all of its main settings and tools. Next, click on View from the top menu. This will open a drop-down list with different display and interface options. In that list, look for Advanced Controls. This is the setting that adds extra control buttons to your VLC interface. Click on Advanced Controls to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, you should see additional buttons appear in the Player Controls area. These advanced controls are especially useful if you want more than just basic play, pause, and stop options. For example, you may use them for recording clips, taking screenshots, or stepping through video one frame at a time. If you ever want to turn them off later, you can simply go back to View and click Advanced Controls again to toggle them off. So that's all there is to it. Open VLC, go to View, and click Advanced Controls. A super quick change, but one that can make VLC a lot more powerful and easier to use. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.